Check out this 2008 Nissan Titan. This Titan has just under 51,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 12 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Titan boasts a 5.6-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, auxiliary audio input, climate control, driver airbag and side curtain airbags. Call 888-658-4271 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.